Hey subscribers, good morning. It's Wednesday, February 19th. I again have to do this video on YouTube, unfortunately, because they're still having problems with MarketFi's video tool. But that doesn't matter as long as you get your morning video. It's all good. I had a lot of you guys, by the way, telling me that you love the morning video, and you know, and so that's great to hear. I mean, I knew that, but it's always good to hear that again. Anyways, let's look at the S&Ps. Yesterday, pretty much we had pretty much a flat day. Not a whole lot happened. We had some outperformance by small caps and the Qs, but other than that, it was more or less a non-event. In terms of the broader indices, we did see some individual stocks that moved, and we're going to go through those in just a second. See the Russell 2000 now finally confirmed back into this uptrend here. So that's all good. Things getting a little frothy though, so we have to be a little bit careful in the immediate term. So first of all let's go through the positions. Let me start. We currently have 7 open positions, which is more than I like. So I'm looking to cut at least one or two of those today. Chipotle Mexican Group is still looking good. This is not the one I want to cut today. It's just waiting to pop higher or lower. I'm hoping it's higher because we're long, but the stock still works. It's just with the broader market not doing much, it's kind of stuck. HCA, this is probably one I want to get rid of today. Stock is just stuck. I'm happy to get in again if it breaks higher, but it's done more or less what I wanted to do, which is move higher in the back of these bullish candles, and that's about it. Goldman Sachs. Also stuck, although it saw a green day yesterday. It's starting to kind of try to break out of this lateral resistance area here. Again, the whole point for the trade was to was this up day here, which came after a whole bunch of indecision days. So that's pretty good. Let's see what happens here. Then we are also along ABX. Had a great opening yesterday. Pretty much gave it all back very quickly. This is the gold miner. Again, if you haven't listened to the morning notes here for a while, then just know that the stock's basically broken out, and it may have to retest this breakout area. But I think the miners, along with gold itself, looks to be going higher. And then we have a long rider. I also like this one still. It's just, again, like many things, stuck here at immediate term resistance. I think this stock is good to move higher still. And then Guild, which we bought yesterday, and looks good. As it broke higher, I talked about this one last week as well. This one, among other healthcare slash biotechnology stocks, are looking good. Look at, for example, Humana. I'm not long Humana. I'm just showing you the stock. Looks pretty interesting here, as well as what's one of the other ones? I can't remember now. Anyway, and then at the end of the day, I bought AIG yesterday. Just great price action here after the earnings report. Last Thursday, the stock ended up holding 200-day moving average, and then yesterday gave us follow-through buying. Is now back above its 5100-day moving average. I do think the stock can move higher here as well. And then there's a ton of other stuff happening. There are some of the gaming stocks I'm looking at. EA Electronic Arts yesterday broke past resistance. The stock is immediate term overextended. There's no doubt about it. So I don't want to chase it, but it's something I'm adding on the watch list. Just like, for example, TTWO, this is Take-Two Interactive, also a gaming stock, makes video games. Beautiful breakout. I just can't get myself to chase this thing higher. And then I'm still waiting on a breakout in LUV, which is Southwest Airlines. You can see this stock here is coiling up. So a lot of things look like they're ready to sort of basically consolidate in time as opposed to price. Okay, so you can see very defined tightening area here where the stock is trading, and that's pretty interesting. And that's, I think, just about it. Continue watching the broader structure of the market. Interest rates and things like that are continue to move a little lower as inflation expectations have been mixed. So it's I think we're just kind of waiting for the next catalyst. Essentially, is what it seems to boil down to here. So that's where we are. And I think the other healthcare stock was United Health, which looks very good after last Friday's pop off of support. You can see the support area here. And then yesterday saw fall through. There's another one potentially look at. It's right immediate term right at resistance, this lateral resistance here. So, and that's it. So any questions, please let me know as always. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.